Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, let me first introduce myself and say I'm your girl Tiffany. Thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome. We love that you're here. You know, come join the family. We're a little loud, a little ratchet sometimes, a little out there, a little much. But if you don't mind that, then make sure you hit the subscribe button before you go. Today's video is going to be a video on the new Morphe 35V palette. And it's popping. Like, as you can see, this look is like, girl, what? This look is so cute, okay? And I'm surprised that I could do it. So if I can do it, y'all can do it. But if you want to see how I got this look, then make sure you just stay tuned to the video.
Let's creep while you and me repeat this bittersweet heat.
Okay, so as y'all can see, I already have one eye done. You know, she's looking real fierce, real cute, okay? Real colorful, little something. So I'm going to be using the 35V palette for Morphe today. It is one of their newer palettes, and I was like, I saw it and said, Tiffany, I said, girl, you need to get that because that's cute, that's popping. So it did come with the little plastic thingy with the names on it, and I taped it in here, as you can see, you know, real ratchet. I taped it in there because I wanted to know the names so I could tell y'all, because I never know the names, and even if the thing is on the back of the palette, I don't know how to read those things because I don't know what my issue is, but it's confusing and I don't know how. So I decided to tape it up there. You're welcome. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take my Morphe M505 and I'm going with this shade right here. And I believe that is the shade Wild Thing, okay? So that's going to be my transition color. That's it. Ain't going to be nothing else. And I'm just going, you know, blend that. Obviously, I blended it really high, as you can see. So I'm going to build this color up. The initial pigment is popping, but I want it to be like boom in your face. So I got to... Look at that. I just tapped it on there. Life changing. Okay. I'm going to whoop, 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 right up in here. Blend for your life. Look at that color. It's so pretty. Like, what? It's so pretty. So I'm going to take this Morphe blending brush. It came in a set, you know. I don't know what's that, but then I'm gonna take this, nope, JK, I'm gonna take this purple shade right here, and that is the shade Bad Boy, and I'm gonna pop that in my crease. Yo, my alarm, it only does that when the alarm isn't set. Like, it doesn't do it when the alarm is set, but I didn't set it yet. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut my crease. You already know I'm gonna skip through this. Either I'm gonna skip through it or I am gonna speed through it, but that's not important. I know I can't do this on camera real good, so I'm gonna cut with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. So I'm gonna just take a blending brush and I'm going to dip into this blue shade right here, and that is the shade Fling, and I'm gonna place that on like my outer corner and my inner corner. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into this shade right here. That was the color Wild Thing, and I'm gonna take that on a little pencil brush and blend that right into that. And I'm just going to be going back and forth with those two colors, making sure they're blended perfectly. Okay, so I'm going to be dipping into this shade right here next, and that is the shade 3 Little Words. And I'm going to take that on my Morphe M124 brush. And it is a tad bit damp, not like drenched, but it's damp. I'm just going to place that right here in the middle. And I'm gonna dip back into that burgundy shade a little bit, like not too much, just to blend it out a little bit more. So next, I'm gonna dip back into that shade 3 Little Words and put that on my inner corner. So I'm gonna go ahead, pop some lashes on, finish the rest of my face, and come back with you guys so we can finish my lower lash line. So apparently I was not recording when I was doing my lower lash line. That is literally like the 5th time I've done that in like the past 2 weeks. I need to get my life together. But all I did was take the purple shade that's in my crease and place that on my lower lash line. And then I used the orange shade in the palette Heat to diffuse that and to just buff it out a little bit. But this is the finished look, and I love, okay, how this turned out. This is so freaking pretty. Like, I'm shook. Okay, this palette really had me on edge, really like gripping my pearls. I don't know, you know, Morphe really came hard with this one. I haven't really been too excited about many things they put out lately, but I saw this palette and I was like, I'm getting that. Like, look at it, it's so pretty. Like, I love how, like, if y'all can't really tell, like, for the most part, like on this side, every color has like a corresponding shimmer that goes with it, and that's popping because y'all know my favorite looks. Shimmer to the front, matte to the back. Okay, y'all know that's my favorite look. And the fact that they really came through for it, girl, you know, I love that. Like, I like that they had this little plastic thing inside too. I wish the names were on the palette because I felt like there was enough room for that, but that doesn't matter. It's not important. But I like that they had this and included the little slip with the names on it, so that way you can see what's going on. But that is really all I have for this video. I just wanted to tell y'all how I felt about the palette because I just played with it for the first time today, and I'm really loving how this look came out, and I feel like I can get a lot of looks out of this palette. So if you like this video, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up down below and tell me what you think in the comments. If you hate it, tell me that too. I really don't care. Talk to me. Let me know what you got going on, what you thinking about today. But that's all I have for this video. So like I always say, I'm your girl Tiffany. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.